Welcome to Food and Culture. Grill and Chill Restaurant. If you are friends or family with different food desires, no need to be confused anymore. Food and Culture channel brought to you a restaurant where Italian, Turkish and Syrian cuisine are put together. Dishes in which Chef Abdullah has mastered. Add to it the calmness of the place and the charming view, as we will show you in the rest of this video. The restaurant is located in Uppsala. Car parking next to the restaurant. You will find the address in the description box.